how to mention something in Notion. The something being a person, a page, or even a date. So in Notion, you can use something called a mention to, in a way, call information to a specific person, page, or date. For example, if you have a task to do and you want to assign it to a member of your team, you will use the mention feature. If you have a page that you're talking about and you want to show people the page, you can mention the page without just typing the name. You can mention it so people could use it as a link or click on it and it will have like a mini pop-up to give you some more information about it. How you use that in Notion is you use the @ symbol. When you begin, you type the @ symbol and the block will change into a mention, which looks like this. So you can see this block has changed into like a search bar type of thing, and we can choose between a date, people, or link to a page. So as I said, we can call on the date. If you're creating a page and it's for a specific day and you don't want to type the day out, you can put that. If it's in relation to a person, for a task, and you're managing a team, for example, you can just click them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do pages within this page or in your general workspace. That's pretty much how you use mentions, or how you would use mentions in Notion.